Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome to today's new video where I'm going to be talking about 3 investments that you should be making in 2022. So what's up guys, my name is Kevin Pak. I'm a multiple 6-figure Amazon seller, business owner, entrepreneur, and I've dabbled into different businesses and investments, and I've come to see what the future is going to be like and where I think the future is going to be to set myself up for the best possible financial position and also for you guys as well. So in my humble opinion, I'm going to be talking about some 3 directions of businesses or investments that I'm going to be looking into or pushing more forward in 2022. So let's get on with it. So the first one is going to be pretty obvious. In 2022, I think people should be starting an e-commerce business of some sort. So if you guys don't already know, I do e-commerce. I sell products on Amazon. It's called Amazon FBA. And I'll show you guys kind of an update of where I'm at right now. Coming up on the camera here. Boom, look at that. Full refresh. Boom. So it is the end of Q4, so my sales are going to start slowing things down, but in the last 30 days, I've already done over $100,000, over 6 figures in just 30 days, which is always amazing to see, so I love that. But e-commerce is such a booming industry and territory. There are more people buying things from online than ever before, and over the years, it's just grown more and more. It makes more sense to be selling things online nowadays than having something that's more physical or brick and mortar. And in e-commerce, it has the highest return on investment than anything that I've ever had before. Like anything that you can expect from real estate or the stocks or anything like that is usually like what, 7-10%. But in e-commerce, when you sell physical products, you can expect like over 100%, over 200% ROI. And I've always seen that in my business. So that's why I think if you want to make short-term money and faster money, I think e-commerce is the way to go to sell products. And if you guys want to learn how to sell products on Amazon, have a really high return on your investment every day, go ahead and feel free to check out the link in my description of my website where I teach people how to sell on Amazon. It's the FBABossAcademy.com. Be sure to check that out. I have a full step-by-step course that teaches people exactly how to sell products on Amazon and create some passive income for yourself as well. So that leads me to the next point, which is e-commerce is a lot more passive because there's a lot more fulfillment channels that go over and like pack your orders whenever customers buy your product. So for my case, when I sell products on Amazon, I'm utilizing Amazon's resources of their warehouses and their employees to ship my products whenever a customer buys. So whenever I make a sale like you guys just saw, that sale is being fulfilled for me at the Amazon warehouse. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to lift a finger. I'm here recording this video for you guys, right? And I'm still making money. I'm still making sales, and Amazon is doing all of that heavy duty work for me. And that's a lot of other passive income business models as well in e-commerce. They do the same thing where they use other fulfillment channels as well. But I personally like Amazon FBA because I shop on Amazon all the time, so it makes sense. Moving on to the next investment that I think you guys should be looking into in 2022 is real estate. So in this office right now, this is my new house. I just got into real estate. This is my first property that I bought, and I closed this on September of this year. So it's been awesome. This is my first time getting into real estate and everything, and it's crazy. Like I already seen my house appreciate by like, I think it was like $30,000 or something like that. And it's only been like a couple months of me living in here. Real estate has always been historically safe and also to have a positive ROI over time. So if you guys don't already know, ROI is return on your investment. Real estate is always going to be a long-term passive income for your retirement. Definitely a long-term play for the most part, unless you're doing something like flipping houses. But for the most part, it is a longer-term game for sure, but there's still a lot of money to be made in that. And there's a lot of different methods of making money into it, which is why I'm going to be getting more into it. So, you have like the Burr method, you could do rentals, you can flip houses, you can also do Airbnb, rental arbitrage. There's a lot of different tactics and strategies that will allow you to make money at a quicker pace or even a longer pace with real estate. And for that reason, it's going to be a bigger, portion of what I invest into in 2022 when I look into it. Okay, last but not least, one of the more controversial topics of the last year so far has been crypto. So I'm pretty bullish on crypto now. I've been seeing how much it's grown. In just the last year alone, crypto has gone up 80%. Bitcoin has gone up for 80%, my bad. But overall, the general market for cryptocurrencies has been crazy expanding. I think there's like over 12,000 coins out there. So it's growing. It is a real thing. It's not really a fad or like a scam or anything like people used to believe in before. It's actually becoming something where it's like the internet, where it's like, it's a thing, right? We're seeing that it's globally becoming more accepted around the world. So I believe that crypto is there to stay, and there's a lot of opportunity to make money with crypto. One of my own personal goals is to have a 6-figure crypto portfolio. Right now it's only 5 figures. I have a long way to go, but I still would like to have 6 figures in crypto at the end of the year. And so I think there's a lot of long-term money to be made on that. And there's still a lot of opportunities and a lot of learning to do. I still have a lot of learning to do myself. But overall, in 2022, those are the 3 things that I think you guys should focus on. And I think that I'm going to be putting a lot more emphasis on continuing to grow my Amazon business, continuing to grow my real estate portfolio, and also my crypto portfolio as well. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think is going to be the best investments out there? Are you already dabbled into any of this? Or do you already have e-commerce? Are you already into real estate? Do you have crypto? Have you made any gains from that? Let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys have been going through and what you guys think is the best investments as well. I hope this video was very, very helpful. I hope you had a lot of fun getting into my thought process about this. We're here to just make money and have a great living and be financially free. So this is what we do on the channel. That's what we talk about. Now, go ahead, check the links down below for any help that you want to get from me. I'll be happy to help you guys out and build your financial freedom as well. And as always, guys, go make that money. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe. Peace.